So hi guys, if anyone is watching, I am Akshat, and what I'm doing here today, I will explain you about the perfect methodology and framework by which you can learn any kind of skill from scratch to expertise or from beginner to advanced by just using LLM or by just doing conversation with the LLM. And I made a document. Even this document is made during the thorough conversation with the LLM, and I then got a perfect answer, and it is making really sense to me. So I thought of sharing it with you. And frankly speaking, I am not making this video for you. I really want to make this video so that it will stick with my brain and stay with me forever. I'm not good in English, so alright. So yeah, I will just read this document. So how to turn an LLM into your personal mastery machine? A teacher, mentor, study planner, thought partner, debugger, motivator, guide all in one. So here step by step framework I would follow to learn any kind of skill X from zero to mastery using an LLM. So there are 7 phases. How should I approach? So the phase one will, if you want to learn something, so there is something in your mind what you want to learn. So if you can't define it, you can't master it. So name the skill in your mind. Ask the LLM what are all the sub skills, concept, tools, and areas I need to learn to master X skill. And you can also give the prompt like break down skill X into detailed skill tree with beginner, intermediate, advanced topics. So it will segregate the topics into 3 categories, and the beginner will be the superset in which the you will gain the generalized definition. So it will be easy going for you if you divide it into the three segregate into the 3 things: beginner, intermediate, and advanced topics. Then you will get an output. You get a learning map. This is your skill tree or a syllabus. So the phase two will be set your learning journey. Start with the end in the mind, but build momentum with the small wins. Tell the LLM like design a 30-day plan to master the basic of X, or create a weekly schedule to master X from beginner to advanced in 3 months. And you will get an output like a structured learning plan with goals, so resources, and checkpoints. So in phase three, learns in the cycle. This is very important. Use the loop of mastery for each subtopics. Explain subtopic to me like I'm a 10-year-old, then like I'm a professional. The two thing parallelly, if you look two thing parallelly, like explain me like a 10-year-old, and then I'm like a professional. It will make you understand any kind of topic in a perfection. So yeah, and you can use these kind of prompt like give me 3 real life example of how subtopic is used in the real world, and you can apply it. Give me exercises or small tasks to practice this concept. So yeah, step four is reflect. Step four is it is under phase three. So then what you did, like you learn, you ask for the example, you apply it, then reflect. What are the most common mistakes or misconception in this area, and how do I avoid them? Loop back until it's clear. So these 4 steps will make you make all kind of concepts you will understand. Like yeah. So the fourth phase is build projects. You don't know something until you create it. So ask, give me 3 project ideas to apply everything I have learned so far in SkillX. Then guide me step by step to build project one. And you can even ask, like, act as my peer programmer, startup co-founder, and finance coach, and review my work. Test yourself, like in phase five, test yourself. Learning without feedback. Learning without feedback is just an entertainment. So ask, give me a quiz or test on all concept I have covered so far. Or you can ask LLM, like, ask me 10 challenging questions if you are interviewing me for a job in SkillX. Then feedback loop, explain why I got this wrong and how to fix my understanding. Phase six, like integrate with the other skills. Real mastery happen when you connect a skill or connect dots. So ask LLM like, how does skill X connect to skill Y? How do product manager uses skill X in real life? Help me create a case study combining skill X and skill Y. So, and phase seven is reflection and the mastery check. Mastery is not when you know everything; it's when you can explain everything. So ask, can I teach this to someone else? Help me prepare a lesson plan or explainer on X. And by the way, I have not used this prompt, and I'm just explaining you by reading the document. I will do it for in next time. So yeah. So yeah, the second thing is, what else do expert in this field know that beginners don't? What should I explore next? So yeah, and the basic tool to use are daily check-in prompt. What should I revise and build today in my journey to learn X? Act as a prompt. Act as a mentor who has mastered X. What should I be doing this week? And scholastic question. Ask me 5 questions to test how deeply I understand the concept. Bad video. But yeah.